Alright, so this is going to be the video of the 52-inch white and black Hampton Bay Waterton ceiling fan that I'm going to film today. This is in a separate Roblox house. It does not have the Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus or the Harbor Breeze Ochre Coat or the Builder's Best. This is in the garage of another Roblox house. I've gone to every single place I can think of to make ceiling fans to get more views of. Because usually, maybe when I film Roblox things that's related to Roblox, I would get so many views. So this fan has no light kit, so I'll start with low, slow, anyways, has great low speed. By the way, this is the Waterton 1. This is not the Waterton 2. It's almost identical to the one that used to be in our house, except it has, in our house, they have the spotlight kits, and like the three-way fixtures like in our house. This is almost identical, except this one has no light kit on it. Now here's medium. Has great medium speed to it. I'm thinking of hanging some ceiling fans in my garage and making this my ceiling fan testing rig. Well, no, I'm going to have to ask my parents about that to see if they'll agree. See if they'll, has great medium speed. Strange. What a surprise. This is really fast on medium. High. This is great. Very decent amount of air. There's the bowl chains. There's everything on this fan. This is a great fan for newer Hampton Bay fan. Now I'm going to shut it off. That's it for this fan. So, if you like the video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.